Looking for a rewarding academic career, Rashtriya Rakshi University in Gujarat is now inviting applications for a wide range of teaching and specialist positions. Whether you're an experienced professor, a research enthusiast, or a clinical psychologist, there's a role for you. This is your chance to join a prestigious institution dedicated to excellence in education, research, and national security study. In this video, we'll walk you through all the available positions, eligibility. Rashtriya Rakshi University is seeking talented individuals for a variety of teaching and research roles. Openings include professor, associate professor, professor of practice, assistant professor, clinical psychologist, subject matter specialist, training specialist, and more. Whether your expertise lies in law, psychology, technology, or security study, there's a position tailored for you. The university values both academic and industry experience, making this a fantastic opportunity. University is hiring across a broad spectrum of departments. These include police administration, criminal law, criminology, military law, constitutional law, securities law, financial law, corporate law, business law, international law, maritime law, international relations, forensic psychology, behavioral science, forensic science, information technology, computer science, engineering and technology, defense and strategic study, security study, physical education. To apply for the professor position, candidates must hold a PhD in a relevant discipline and have a strong record of research and publication. A minimum of 10 years of teaching or equivalent research experience is required, along with evidence of guiding doctoral candidates. Alternatively, outstanding professionals from industry with significant contribution and at least 10 years experience can also apply. The university values both academic excellence and real-world aim. Associate professor, a PhD, and at least 8 years of teaching or research experience are required, along with a strong publication record. Assistant professors should have a master's degree with at least Patpan Pratishat marks in a relevant subject. These roles are ideal for academics looking to advance their careers in a vibrant, multidisciplinary environment. The university encourages applications from candidates with a passion for teaching, research, and contributing to the beyond traditional teaching role. Rashtriya Rakshi University is also hiring clinical psychologists, subject matter specialists, training specialists, teaching and research officer, and research officer. These positions are perfect for professionals who want to make a difference through research, training, and specialized expertise. If you have a background in clinical psychology, research, or training, this could be your opportunity to contribute to a leading institution and shape the next generation. Rashtriya Rakshi University offers competitive salaries for all positions. Professors and directors can earn between $2,000 and $2,10,000 per month. Associate professors receive $1,000 to $2,000, while assistant professors and related roles are offered $90,000 to $1,20,000. Clinical psychologist, subject matter specialist, and ready to apply? The process is straightforward. Interested candidates must upload all required documents as a single scanned PDF file. This includes the application form, CV, mark sheets, degree certificates, experience certificates, and other relevant testimonial. Make sure your file is clear, legible, and under 10 MB. Then submit it via the provided Google form link before the deadline. Incomplete or multiple submissions will not be considered, so double-check everything. Don't miss this opportunity to be part of Rashtriya Rakshi University, located in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. The university is committed to excellence in education, research, and national service. If you're passionate about making an impact in your field and shaping future leaders, this is your chance. Apply now and take the next step in your academic or professional journey. For more information, visit RIU.ac/career. Good luck with your application.